In this video, we are just going to remember the steps of glycolysis. As we know, there are total 10 steps of glycolysis. So, we are just going to remember each and every step thoroughly. So, there is the first step of which is phosphorylation. As we know, in the phosphorylation reaction, the first reaction is glucose. When glucose is converted into glucose 6 phosphate with the help of enzyme hexokinase. What do we know about the kinase? Kinase is the addition of phosphate group. So the first reaction is the phosphorylation, and the first reaction we know that in glycolysis cycle there is a two phases. For the first one is energy investment phase and the second one is the energy payoff phase. So the first phase is the energy investment phase. It starts from the step 1, phosphorylation. The phosphorylation is the energy investment reaction. Investment 1 ATP is used. The second step is isomerization. In this step, glucose 6 phosphate, which is a product of step 1, glucose 6 phosphate is converted into fructose 6 phosphate with the help of enzyme phosphoglucoisomerase. Then in this second step, no ATP is used. Okay. Then the third step is phosphorylation. This is the second phosphorylation. The first step, in the first step, first of phosphorylation occur and the second phosphorylation occur in the step 3. Step 3, in which fructose 6 phosphate converted into fructose 1,6 bisphosphate with the help of enzyme phosphofructokinase. This is the investment reaction. ATP is used. 1 ATP is used in where 1 ATP is converted into ADP. So there, as I told you, 3 steps, in which 2 steps are investment steps. Then step 4. Step 4 is the cleavage, splitting, lysis. We can say any of these reaction. So step 4 is the cleavage. Cleavage means breakdown of carbon. Splitting means splitting of carbon atoms, and lysis also the same meaning. So the product which is formed in the step 3 is fructose 1,6 biphosphate. So fructose 1,6 biphosphate is converted into, splits into 2 products. Dihydroxyacetone means dihap and phosphoglyceraldehyde PGAL. So the fourth step is the main step in which splitting occurs. Fructose 1,6 biphosphate splits into 2 products of 3 carbon. Means to say that fructose 1,6 biphosphate gives 3 carbon 2 products. Means फ्रक्टोज 1,6 बाइफॉस्फेट 6 कार्बन का है और वो 3 कार्बन के 2 प्रोडक्ट बना रहा है. किस एंजाइम की हेल्प से? एल्डोलेज. देन द स्टेप 5, आइसोमराइजेशन. आइसोमराइजेशन स्टेप इन विच, इस स्टेप में कुछ खास कन्वर्जन नहीं हो रही है. इस स्टेप में रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन हो रही है जो कि है डाइहेप और फॉस्फोग्लिसरॉल्डिहाइड की. इसमें एक रिवर्सिबल, जहाँ पे एक इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट बन रही है और रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन है with the help of enzyme triose phosphate isomerase. Then step 6, dehydrogenation, means to say it is a removing hydrogen step. Hydrogen is removed in this step and phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted into 1,3 biphosphoglyceric acid with the help of enzyme dehydrogenase, means removal of hydrogen. Oxidation occurs in this reaction. After the 6th step, 7th step is dephosphorylation. Dephosphorylation, in this 1,3 biphosphoglyceric acid is converted into 3 phosphoglyceric acid with the help of enzyme phosphoglyceric kinase. This is the energy payoff phase. Energy payoff phase in which 2 ATP is formed. Then the 8th step here are isomerization, in which 3 phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 2 phosphoglyceric acid, and enzyme is mutase isomerase. No energy payoff phase. Step 9 is dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water molecules, means 2-phosphoglyceric acid converted into phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate is the highest amount of energy product. So enzyme is used as enolase. Enolase enzyme is used in the step 9 and 2 water molecules are removed. Then step 10 is dephosphorylation. This is the second dephosphorylation. As we know, the first dephosphorylation reaction is the step 7. So the second dephosphorylation reaction is the phosphoenol pyruvate, which is converted into pyruvic acid with the help of enzyme pyruvate kinase. This is a energy payoff in which 2 ATP is formed. Why we just write it down 2 ATP is formed? Because in the splitting, in step 4 splitting occurs and fructose 1,6 biphosphate divides into 2 products of 3 carbon. This is the reason behind 2 ATP is formed. All the reactions from the 6th step, means from the 6th to the 10th step, all the reaction occurs twice because of the splitting.